Hey guys, this is Abir Khan and you're watching Anik Khan. This is day 32nd of our vlog, and in this video I'm gonna talk about why do I vlog. So I'm not talking about why do other people vlog, but I'm just talking about why do I vlog. Um, there are several reasons that I vlog, and the main of them is the commitment. Because when I started vlogging on this channel, it's like 32 days before. If you watched my first video, in that video I said that I won't be vlogging every day because I won't get much time for vlogging and all that. But it's been 32 days from then, and I am vlogging every day. So I am putting a lot of videos lately online. So I was thinking that commitment is the main theme and main target for my vlogs, because I want to be committed to vlog every day. But I knew from the day one that I won't be able to make videos every other day. Uh, I'll try. So this is what I'm doing for the past 32 days, and it's been going good. But there are a few people who are pointing that I shouldn't be talking in English because it's not my native language and all that. But I will disagree with them, because if I want to talk in a language that I am comfortable with, um, I will talk about it. So if you are not comfortable with it, go ahead and dislike this video. I'm not worried about your I'm not worried about how much dislikes and likes I get on my every video. But what I am worried about is how committed I am in putting those videos online regularly. Because I've seen a lot of vloggers. I've been talking to a lot of vloggers lately, and they were all like that they can't make vlog every day for like more than a month or something like that. But I'm trying to do it, and the results are here. I am putting some effort in these vlogs. So I am thinking to make more videos on my main channel, Abir H Khan. If you have not been to that channel, go ahead and subscribe to it. But I'm trying my best, and I'm giving my 100%. So if you're not comfortable with my vlogs, please don't watch it. I mean, nobody is um, pressurizing you to watch my videos and all that. Nobody can pressurize you, because it's your time, it's your opinion and all that, and I respect your opinion, because I don't make videos all just for myself. And I talked about this for like in every other video, that I don't make videos just for myself. I want you guys to know what's going on in here in Pakistan, and what are the headlines and all that. So my vlogs basically include news from sports, from weathers, from all current affair news and all that. But basically, my vlogs, I want to concentrate on what's going on in my life. So I'll be making more videos on this channel, and maybe I'll be posting every other day. So um, if you're not my subscriber or something like that, and if you like my opinion and videos, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to this channel and leave a like and thumbs up. So that's it. No fancy intro and outro. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. So take care. Goodbye.